Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm gonna show you how do I deposit money to your Charles Schwab. So to do this is pretty simple. So head on to your fund your account here in international.schwab.com, and here you will find your wire transfer and account transfer. So here you want to deposit money to the Charles Schwab. Here's the transfer cash or securities from an account to another financial institution. So here you will have to go and download and transfer. So here you will have to fill this all up. So here you will have to scroll down to the requested in the corresponding field your name, and then here you will have to print this. Next, transfer account to Schwab. So here you'll have to place your name, account, Schwab account number, social security, tax ID number, and many much more. So here in the next one, you'll have to do credit union bank, bank brokerage, trust company, or many much more. So here you will have to check it right here. Partial transfer, number of transfer, name, symbol, stocks, bonds, and many much more. So here you will have to place all your liquid and CD immediately and transfer cash. So here you have the option to do all or just partial, and same with this. So there's also surrender or liquidate any annuity and transfer cash if applicable. So right here in the bottom, there's a mutual fund company transfers. So this is only if it's applicable. So here it's the last part, the authorization to transfer and account holder signature. So here you will have to sign here and here. And here you will have to use black or blue ink for your signatures and dates and your name. So that is how you deposit money to the Charles Schwab basically. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.